Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to turn on text alerts on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, if you're getting any kind of an issue with the text alerts, this is what you have to do, or you can make tweak if you wanted how the notifications that you should receive when someone texts you. So what you need to do is we have to go to the settings here. Now from here we have to scroll it down all the way down, and from here you have to navigate to the notification. From here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the message app. So keep scrolling and tap on the message. So first thing, make sure the allow notifications should be turned on. That's very important. If it is turned off, you'll not be receiving any kind of notifications. So make sure that you turn on allow notifications. And right now, how the alerts want you to be displayed. So either you wanted to keep it on 3, you can do it like which I did over here. As you can see, I've set this for lock screen, notification sender and banner itself. If you need only on the notification sender and banners, you can do like this, and if you need only on the notification sender, you can do like this as well. But what I'm saying is the best good practices, you can keep this all over here, right? And also over here you can see the sound. You can set a sound for your whenever someone texts you will be getting notified. So here I have set this to a default one. If you want this to change to this, I can make the changes over here. You can do it accordingly. And if you wanted to customize it, you can do it as well. You can keep it. So it's all depends on yours. And also if you go back, you can see right now over here we're having the badges and all. So you can also try turning on the badges if you need. And also in the CarPlay, you can also try turning on this as well. If you wanted this to display it on the car whenever you are moving on a car and you want to get the notifications to display it over there, try turning on this. And also if you scroll it down, you can see we have show previews. So you have to click on this, and right now it says I have already set this to when unlock default, it will be showing the previews. And if you want to change this to always, I can keep this as well, right? And also you can go back, and over here you can see we have custom notifications. You can do it if you want kind of these things, but I'm not recommending this. You can just go back. And also over here for the notifications, and we can set the sound and all those things. So always the thing is, it's all about you have to make sure that allow notifications is turned on. How you want it to get displayed, you have to set all these kind of things and make sure that you set a sound for this, so you'll not miss any kind of notification when your dear one send you over here, right? And this is what we have to do, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.